So hello everyone, this is Vivek Dwivedi from Nizer, and today we are going to solve NEST 2018 exam paper. I am starting with this paper because I already had this paper downloaded. I downloaded it from nestexam.in, www.nestexam.in from this website, and I'm going to provide you the solutions of this paper in this video format. So before that, a disclaimer that I can also make mistakes, so do not take this as an ultimate solutions. Use your own brain. I'm going to start with general section. We will cover bio, physics, chemistry, maths, everything, but for now let's start from the beginning of this paper and we'll solve each section one by one. And now please do like, share, subscribe, and comment your questions, whatever questions you have, in the comment section in this video. And if you do not understand, let me know in the comment section. I will try to improve my explanation and provide you better videos. Then let's start solving these questions. So the first question of general section, a number of times minute hand and hour hand of clock overlap in 24 hours. So if you see the clock, there is a hour hand, there is a minute hand, and there is a second hand. So for this second hand we are not going to worry. For hour hand, in 24 hours it moves two times, right? Once in 12 hours and one more time in 12 hours. So the hour hand moves two revolutions in 24 hours. Minute hand moves how many revolutions? Minute hand moves this and again this about 24 times. 24 times in 24 hours, right? So if you see that this is a hour hand, it moves once and twice in 24 hours, and you have a minute hand which moves 12 times and one more 12 times, that is 24 times, to cover same 360 degree in how much time? In same time of 24 hours. So if you take this as a unit of time, 24 hours, 1 day per day, right? So just think that there is a hand. If you think that our hand is stationary, then how fast is minute hand as compared to our hand? So if our hand is stationary, then the minute hand is moving actually 24 minus 2, which is, it was moving at speed of 2, right? In 24 hours in a day. Minute hand was moving at speed of 24 in a day. So net speed will be 22 times the hour hand, right? 22 times faster than our hand. Therefore, no, it's not. Okay, so to cover the same 360 degree relative to our hand, minute hand will be 22 times faster. Therefore how many times it will cross? If this is stationary, it is moving 22 times to cover the same amount of time. Therefore it is 22. Now it is also simply you can also do this question by relative angular velocity, which will be actually the same thing. Same 360 degrees covered, and you can solve this question using relative angular velocity as well. But this is a better way, I think, because simply you have 24 hours, you can take 24 hours as unit of time. Now moving to the second question, first milk produced by mother soon after childbirth. It gives passive unity. It's a very simple kind of a general knowledge question. Then a list of scientific events is given below: discovery of cathode rays, electrons in cathode rays, X-rays, radioactivity, fluorescence. So it is generally given in the introduction section of any chapter in science. That how somebody discovered fluorescence, then how somebody discovered X-ray, then how Henry Becquerel discovered radioactivity, and then electrons and all. So this is again a simple general knowledge kind of question, that first fluorescence was discovered, then X-rays, then radioactivity, and then electrons. So this is next question. Automobiles could be catalytic converters at their exhaust, so that these are the gases which are so harmful to environment, they get converted using catalysis, right? So there is a carbon monoxide, very dangerous one. There are various nitrogen oxides, and there are unburnt hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons generally are combusted into oxygen, water, and carbon dioxide, because all they have is CN, H2N plus 2, and all this. So there is hydrogen and carbon, and this is generally made into carbon dioxide, which is a bit less harmful than carbon monoxide. Now, so yeah, simply, and this is converted into N2. So it is this is the answer simply given here. Then next question, firecrackers. One of the methods to improve the one of the methods to produce color is use metal salts. That is why firecrackers are so dangerous to the environment. Now ions get heated and they produce different colors. So it is simply the flame test kind of question. What various metals produce flame test. Now you want to produce yellow color. Which one should you choose? So strontium gives red color. Barium gives yellow, not yellow, pale green color. Because if it gave yellow color, then why would you use a combination, right? Copper gives bluish green color, and a bit light color, and this is colorless. So this red plus this combination actually produces, this combination produces yellow color. So simply this is the answer. Now we have paragraph kind of questions. So you can read this paragraph, and when you are solving this question, I will simply give you, it's a very easy question, very easy question. Simply, what is carbon trading, which is already given here, buying and selling of carbon. Then similarly, and the question is company was fined for. So it is like a simple story that in 2015 a company was fined by government for almost about 2000 tons of extra carbon production and all. So this is here excess without any excess allowance for this much, right? Then how much was procured. So this is a very easy question. I think you can do it. Now coming to a bit difficult question. It's a good question, not so difficult. Like square numbers, we have triangular numbers, pentagonal numbers, and so on, which form regular polygons. So if you see here 1, 3, 6, 9, right? There is 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot, 4 dot. So generally what happens in these numbers is if there is n number of dots here, then there is n minus 1 dots here, n minus 2 dots here, and so on till you have 1 dot, right? In square numbers, which is n square, where n is the base number of dots, base dots, which means that in the base how many dots you have, 4 dots, a square is 16. So like this you can have these kind of polygons. And similarly you have pentagonal, hexagonal numbers. According to illustration above, fifth hexagonal number is, so instead of going everything, just see what I am doing. I did not bother about each and everything, just directly go to the question which says what is the fifth hexagonal number. So let's focus on this instead of this right now. There was one, how these numbers are formed, you just need to see the pattern. What do you need to see is pattern. So there was 1 here, then they added extra 5, so it becomes 6. Then this whole 6 is actually here, right? Plus they added 9 dots and it became 15. Then this whole hexagon is here, you see here. And similarly you could see this is that, and this is the same dot. So if you see there was already this number. So the next number is actually, there is already 28. There is already this number 28, and then what you need to do is form this 1, 2 extra dot, and they already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are asking fifth hexagonal. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth hexagonal number will be like this, this, 1 2 3 dots, 1 2 3 dots, 1 2 3 dots, 1 2 3 dots, and here 1 2 3 dots, here 3 dots. So if you see just what I did here, in the fourth there were 4 dots, in the 3 there were 3 dots, in the 2 there were 2 dots, so in the fifth there are 5 dots in the base. So the fifth hexagonal number has how many dots, which is the same number, right? So it has 28 dots here, then it has 1 2 3 4 5 extra dots, 5 extra dots plus 3 dots. So 3 into how many, 1 2 3 4 4 extra sides, so this, so 28 plus 5 plus 12, which is 28 plus 17, which is 45 dots. So the next fifth hexagonal number is 45. Now among the following, the incorrect statement is, and the difference between the pentagonal, fourth square and fourth triangular number is, so fourth pentagonal number is, you see 1 2 3 4 22, fourth square number is 16. So it is saying that 22 minus 16 is triangular, fourth triangular number is 10, which is not true, because 22 minus 16 is not 10. So this is false. So no need to go about this question. You already got this question, and it is a single choice, correct choice question. So you simply got the answer. Now we have a biology section. So we will solve this section in the next paper. In the next video we will cover this section. So for now, please like, share and subscribe to get more solutions, and it will really encourage me to make more such videos and help you guys with solutions to all these question papers. With that, thank you very much and see you. Bye.